Good morning. This is March 28th, 2014, Friday about 10 a.m. I'm down here at Wildwood Park off of Neff Road. This is Lake Erie. The ice is definitely melting. My other video of the lake was at the Euclid Hospice. Now this is a little bit farther west, and the seagulls are very, very loquacious today. And the ice is melting, as I said before. You can see the blocks of ice. They're just sort of floating around. Sort of reminds me of that one dessert. I can't think of the name of it. It has like floating islands of delicious dessert that float around in the liquid. I heard an old, old story, how my Savior came from glory. How he gave his life on Calvary beyond the crystal sea. And then I cried, dear Jesus, come and mend my broken spirit. I repented of my sin and won the victory. Oh, victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. He sought me and bought me with his redeeming blood. He loved me ere I knew him, and all my love is due him. He plunged me to victory beneath the cleansing flood. Victory in Jesus is my favorite hymn. Can you see this adorable seagull? He's up on top of a post. Hi, Sonny Seagull. How are you today, darling? Oh, he's going to fly away. He's a little bit shy. Oh, now not quite. He's going to talk. He's going to say something, too. He says, you're talking too much. I'm going to talk. I'm not going to hurt you, honey. Come on back, darling. Come on. Come on, Sonny. Sonny the Seagull. He's a little bit shy today. Sonny, I might have a treat for you. Come on back. Come on. Okay, bye-bye. Fly, I'll fly away. Oh, do-do-do-do. I'll fly away. La-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I'll fly away. La-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Have a blessed day.